Hello friends, in this video we will continue with the toolbar tools. Let's start with the clone stamp tool. But before that, please remember to like, share and hit that subscribe button. This will help me to create more videos like this. Now back to the clone stamp tool. This is a powerful tool for retouching, editing images by copying or cloning a selected area of an image to another area. Start by opening the Photoshop and load the image you want to work on. Find the clone stamp tool in the toolbar or press S on your keyboard to activate it. In the option bar at the top, adjust the brush size and hardness to fit your editing needs. For the brush size, make it large enough to cover the area you want to clone. While for the hardness, create a softer edge which is useful for blending. Hold down Hot window or Options on Mac and click on the area of the image you want to clone. This select the sample source, which is the area that will be stamped elsewhere. Move your cursor to the area where you want to apply the cloned pixel. Then click or drag to apply. As you paint, Photoshop continuously clones from the sample source in real time. Now let's move to the eraser tool. The eraser tool is one of the most straightforward tools for removing parts of an image. However, it can be more powerful than simply erasing if you understand how to adjust its setting. What you need to do, find the eraser tool in the toolbar of the left or press E on your keyboard to activate it. Then in the option bar at the top, choose from 3 eraser tool modes. The brush. It functions like a brush with an option for adjusting size, hardness and opacity. The pencil. It has hard edges with no softness, which is ideal for pixel by pixel edit. Then you have the block, which is fixed size square eraser with no size of hardness setting. Now click and drag to erase area of the image. The tool will remove pixels from the layer directly, so it's often best to work on duplicated areas to avoid losing your information. For the magic eraser tool, erase all areas of similar color with a single click. Based on the tolerance level you set, this can be a quick way to remove solid background. If you right-click on the eraser tool, select Eraser from the Eraser tool drop-down. Set tolerance in the option bar and click the area you want to erase. If you want to remove a background with more control, especially when removing the background of ear, select the Background Eraser tool. It is found by right-clicking on the Eraser tool in the toolbar. Now adjust the tolerance level in the option bar. Low tolerance removes color similar to the sample color, while high tolerance removes a broader range of colors. Try to ensure you have a plain background under your image layer. Then left click to sample colors. Continuously sample colors as you drag. Erase all the color that matches the background colors in your toolbar. By the way, I got this image from Raleigh Cooks on Pinterest. Now the next tool is the pen tool. The pen tool is a versatile tool that perfect for creating precise paths, shape, and selection. While it can be a bit tricky to master at first, it is an invaluable for tasks like cutting out images or designing custom shapes. Now find the pen tool in the toolbar or press P on your keyboard to activate. In the option bar at the top, you can select one of the 3 modes. For example, the path. It's used to create path that can be used to make selection, strokes, or shape. You can also select shape, which is used to create shape layer which can be filled with color. You can also select pixel, can use it to draw directly on the image. Not often used for path, but useful for direct shapes. We will cover the path and the shape more in our future videos. Now to create an anchor point with your pen tool, click on the image you want to create an anchor point. This is the starting point of your path. Click again somewhere else to make a second point and draw the straight line between them. To create curves with the pen tool, click and drag when creating an anchor point. This will add handles to the point, which allows you to control the curve. The direction and the length of the handle control the direction and sharpness of the curve. To adjust the curve after you have created it, hold Alt on Windows or Options on Mac and drag on the handles. Keep clicking to add points and adjust as needed. To close a part, click on the starting anchor point. Then continue practicing till you find it easy to use. The next tool we are going to talk about is the text tool. The text tool is essential for adding text for your image and designs. It offers plenty of options to customize fonts, colors, and styles so that you can create everything from simple labels to styled typography. You can find the text tool in the toolbar or press T on your keyboard to activate it. Choose your text tool mode by right-clicking on the text tool in the toolbar to see the option. The horizontal type tool creates horizontal text, while the vertical type tool creates vertical text. Click once on your image to create a single line of text. Then click and drag to create paragraph text, which lets you type within a defined area. This is useful for longer text block. When you are done typing, you can press Enter on your keyboard or click check mark in the option bar to confirm your text. You can bring more text option by clicking on Windows, then click on Character. With the text selected, customize your text with the options in the bar. Now you have the font family. Choose your font from the drop-down list. You also have font style. Select the style like bold, regular, depending on the font you are using. Another one is the font size. Adjust the size of your text as needed. Then you will have text alignment. Align text to the left, center, or right for paragraph text. For text color, click on the color box to choose a color from the color picker or directly sample color from your image. Now let us move to the shape tool. The shape tools allows you to create various vector shapes that can be customized, resized, tied without losing quality. It is a fundamental tool for creating graphics, icons, buttons, and more. Find the shape tool in the toolbar or press U on your keyboard to activate the tool. Right-click on the shape tool icon to see the different shape options. With the rounded triangle tool, draw a circle on an ellipse. With the polygon tool, draw multiple-sided shapes like triangles, hexagon. For the line tool, draw straight line. For the custom shape tool, it lets you choose from custom predefined shapes in Photoshop. Lastly, we are going to talk about the foreground color and the background colors. The foreground and the background colors are essential for painting, filling, and gradient effects, as well as many selection tools and layer style. These two colors option let you control the colors you apply, and they can easily be swept or reset. They appear as two overlapping colors, swatches near the bottom of the toolbar. The top swatch is the foreground color, and the bottom swatch is the background color. Now, click on the swatch, click on the foreground or the background swatch to open the color picker. Select a color. In the color picker, choose the color you want by dragging the circle in the color field, or use the slider to find a precise color. Then click OK to apply your color. Please like and share this video if you find it helpful. Also subscribe to this channel to help me create more videos like this. See you in the next video.